Hello everyone, welcome to Niche Education. Today we are going to see third chapter of your class 10th maths and which is pair of linear equations in two variable. In the previous section we discussed about how to solve a pair of linear equation graphically. But graphical method is not convenient in the cases where a point representing the solution of a pair of linear equation has non-integral coordinates such as under root 3 under root 2, another one you can take 19 by 2, 14 by 3. In that cases there is every possibilities to making mistake while reading these points on the graph. So now what we can do? Is there any alternative method to solve a pair of linear equation? Yes, we can solve a pair of linear equation by using several algebraic methods. They are substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. So by using this all three algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equation, we can find the solution of a pair of any linear equation algebraically. Now from this all the method, we are going to see the first method which is substitution method today. As the name suggests, substitution, that means we are going to substitute the value of something in the equation. But what we are going to substitute and how we are going to substitute, let's take an example and see the substitution method. Solve the following pair of equation by substitution method. As you can see over here, a pair of linear equation is given and we need to solve this pair of linear equation by which method? Substitution method. So now let's see how to apply substitution method on example. As you can see, first equation is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. I am considering this equation as equation 1. X plus 2y is equal to 3. Let's consider this equation as equation 2. Now we need to do is, we need to write any one variable in the terms of other. That means you can pick x, either y. There is two variable, x and y. So you need to pick either x or y and we need to write the x or y in the terms of other variable. Let's see how. Second step is write one variable in the terms of other. Second equation is x plus 2y is equal to 3. Now if I want to find the value of x, we can write as x is equal to 3 minus 2y. So here we got the value of x. Let's consider this equation as equation 3. Now next step, I am going to substitute this value of x in equation 1. Substitute the value of x in equation 1. What is our equation 1? 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. Substitute the value of x over here. 7 into bracket 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. 7 3s are 21 minus 7 2s are 14. 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. Now what we are going to do? We are going to take this 21 over here. What left? Minus 14y minus 15y is equal to 2 minus 21. Minus 14y minus 15y is equal to minus 29y is equal to minus 19. So y is equal to minus 19 upon minus 29, which you can write as 19 upon 29. So as you can see, here we got our value of y. So now let's substitute this value of y in our equation 3. Value of y in equation 3. What is our equation 3? It is x is equal to 3 minus 2y. Let's put the value of y in this. X is equal to 3 minus 2, y is equal to 19 upon 29. And if you are going to solve this, you are going to get 49 upon 29. So here we got the value of x also. This is value of y, this is value of x. So we find the solution of pair of linear equation. X is equal to 49 upon 29, y is equal to 19 upon 29. If you want to verify the solution is right or not, we have calculated our sum in right way or not, you need to do is, you need to put the value of x and y in this pair of linear equation, and the both equation will satisfy for the value of x and y. That means our solution is right. So this is all for substitution method. Let's see what we have done in substitution method very quickly. First, what we have done is that we have written one variable in the terms of other. As per the convenience you need to see, you can either write for x also and y also. Then for the value, whatever you are getting x and y, that you need to put in any of one equation so that you can get the value of any variable. If we are having the value of one variable, by the using of this equation we can find the value of other variable, and that is how we can solve any linear equation by substitution method. As the name suggests, in this method we have substituted value of one variable in equation as well as another variable. So this method is known as substitution method. Now let's see another example. Here it is given the cost of 2 pencils and 3 erasers is rupees 9 and the cost of 4 pencils and 6 erasers is rupees 18. Find the cost of each pencil and eraser. As you can see, the cost of 2 pencils and 3 erasers together is 9 and the cost of 4 pencils and 6 erasers together is 18. Here they have not given a specific cost for pencil and eraser, and that is what we need to find. So let's solve this first and express this in the terms of a pair of linear equation. Right. Suppose the cost of one pencil is rupees x and the cost of one eraser is rupees y. Let's form the linear equation now. The cost of 2 pencils, that means 2x, plus 3 erasers, 3y is equal to 9. This is our equation 1. Second one is the cost of 4 pencils, that means 4x, plus 6 eraser, 6y is 18. Let's consider this as our second equation. Now what we need to do? We need to write any one variable in the terms of other variable. Here we are going to write x in the terms of other variable. Terms of other variable. Which is other variable? Here it is y. So we are going to write x in terms of y. Let's pick the equation 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. So 2x is equal to 9 minus 3y. So x is equal to 9 minus 3y upon 2. So here we got the value of x. Indicate this as equation 3. Now we are going to substitute the value of x in our equation. 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. Let's write substitute value of x in equation 2. What is our equation 2? 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. Let's pick the value of x. What is value of x? 9 minus 3y upon 2 plus 6y is equal to 18. Let's solve this first. 4 9s are 36. 36 divided by 2 minus 4 3s are 12y divided by 2 plus 6y is equal to 18. 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18 minus 12 upon 2. 2 6 are 12. 6y plus 6y is equal to 18. As you can see, minus 6y plus 6y is equal to 0. So what left? 18 is equal to 18. Now what is this? 18 is equal to 18. So that means this equation is true for every value of y. And here we not get any specific value of y, so that we cannot able to find the specific value of x also. That means this equation is having many solutions. If you have remember, at the starting of this chapter, we discussed that a pair of linear equation is having either one solution, either no solution, or many solution. So this pair of linear equation is having many solution. That means for the various value of x as well as y, this both equations are going to be satisfied. So these equations are having many solution. And if we talk about graphical representation of this equation, so that we are going to get as coincide line, so that they are having many solution. So this is all for substitution method. I hope you all have understand. Till then, keep learning with Nirja Education and don't forget to subscribe our channel.